How to fix TikTok streak feature not showing. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok streak feature not showing. So since the new release or update, there has been update about streak feature like Snapchat on the TikTok. So if it's not showing on your device or account, what you can do is first thing just head over to your profile section and just tap on this three dot icon over here and head over to settings and privacy and just click on account and now click on account information, and from over here all you have to do is make sure you have selected the correct region or countries which supports this feature. So if it's not available on some countries, then you may want to list out that country and change it to it. And remember that account should be or your country should be selected prior to the 90 days. And once you do that, the second method, what you can do is once again come back to this and just click on this three dot icon over here or hamburger icon and just click on settings. And once you're inside here, just scroll all the way down until you see the report a problem. And since we don't have category for this option, just click on chat with us from over here all the way down, and here you'll have to describe your TikTok about your problem like this. So once you do that, it should be responding about here. So if you cannot find your related question, you can just tap on like this, and if it doesn't help, you can also click on this submit a ticket, and you can like this by describing your problem once again, and you can also include videos or photos of your screenshots describing your problem and click on submit, and the TikTok team should contact you within 24 hours to fix the issue successfully. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.